If you're into compact cars with real performance cred, the BMW M135i might be one of the coolest hatches you've never heard of. It's part sleeper, part track toy, and all BMW, complete with a turbocharged straight six and rear-wheel drive. Yes, you heard correctly, rear-wheel drive in a hot hatch. Here are 5 things you probably didn't know about the M135i. Did you know the M135i is one of the only rear-wheel drive hatchbacks ever made? While most hatchbacks, including Minis, send power to the front wheels, this one puts it to the back, giving it perfect balance and the ability to actually drift. Did you know the M135i uses BMW's 3-liter turbocharged N55 engine, making 320 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque? That's more than most hot hatches, and enough to take this little hatch from 0 to 60 in around 4.9 seconds. That is GP3 JCW territory. Did you know the M135i isn't a full-blown M car, but part of BMW's M Performance line? It's sat between a standard 135i and an M car like the 1M. You got M-tune suspension, brakes, steering, and styling, without the full M badge price tag. Did you know the M135i hatchback never made it to the US? North America got the coupe version of the 1 Series, but not the 5-door hatch or the 3-door hatch. If you see one in the States, it's likely imported and very rare. Did you know the M135i is quietly becoming a future classic in Europe? It's got the old-school BMW driving feel, the turbo straight six, and none of the modern digital fluff. Plus, it's just weird enough to be cool, and Mini fans know a thing or two about quirky cool. So no, the M135i isn't a Mini. But it's got the same compact energy, punchy performance, and driver-first attitude that makes us fall in love with small cars. It's rare, fast, and one of BMW's best-kept secrets. Hit like if you love stealthy hatchbacks, and subscribe for more enthusiast-built cars every week.